In this video I'm going to show you how to make photos on Facebook private. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Facebook and there tap on that three lines menu icon and here tap on your profile name. There scroll down for a little and here just above your feet tap on photos to see photos of your account. I got no one. I have uploads. It works similar for photos and for uploads for your posts, doesn't matter. And then I'll select some photo, some post and then tap on that three dots icon right here. And there I can tap on edit post privacy or edit photo privacy, and here I can change the privacy for that specific photo. I can set it to public, to just friends, to friends except someone, to specific friends and to only me. Only me, it means that this photo will be completely private and just you will be able to see that content. And to apply these changes, just tap on done. That's it. Now I make a private photo and now you know how that's simple and easy. So if it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe.